Did you know some Tibetan monks live to 100 moving freely, full of energy, without stiff joints? In Dharamsala, a 68-year-old monk drops into a full squat, heels flat, knees past his toes, and he just stays there calm, steady, effortless. Up since 4:30 a.m. and he'll do it again tomorrow without a second thought. Meanwhile, an average 52-year-old in the US struggles to stand. Legs swing off the bed, hands grip the nightstand, knees locked for 20 minutes. Glucosamine? Third bottle this year, still nothing. Only 12% of Tibetan men over 65 report joint issues. In the West, it's 38%. Same body, same aging process with completely different results. This isn't about luck or genetics. The monk spends 7 minutes every morning doing simple movements your body was built to do, but most of us stopped decades ago. Today, I'll show you exactly what they are and how to start reversing stiffness tonight. Hip circles. Ever feel like your legs are strong, but your hips still feel tight and stuck? That's not just stiffness. It's a loss of control. Your hips are built to move in circles, not just forward and back. But over time, sitting, stress, and limited movement slowly shut that ability down. So your body starts compensating. Your lower back takes more load. Your knees start working harder. And you don't even realize it's coming from your hips. Now here's where it gets interesting. What if the problem isn't weakness, but your body forgetting how to move? Let's wake it up. Stand tall. Place your hands on your hips. Slowly push your hips forward, then out to the side, then back, then around. Drawing a smooth circle. Go slow. This is not about speed. It's about control. Feel every part of the circle. Notice where it feels tight, where it feels stuck. That's exactly where your body needs attention. Do a few circles in one direction, then switch. If full circles feel hard, make them smaller. Even a small controlled circle is powerful when done right. And something surprising happens when you stay consistent with this. Your steps feel lighter, your body feels more connected. Simple movements stop feeling like effort. But here's the part most people miss. If your hips were locked, there's a high chance your spine is even more restricted, and that changes everything. Let's see what's really going on there next. Spinal rotations. What if your back pain isn't because you're weak, but because your spine stopped moving? Sounds strange, right? Most people think they need to strengthen their back, so they push harder, more effort, more tension. But the real issue is often the opposite. Your spine is designed to rotate, to twist gently, to move smoothly in different directions. But over time, that movement fades. You sit more, you move less, and your spine becomes stiff without you even noticing. So when you finally try to move, your body resists. Now here's where it changes. Stand tall or sit comfortably. Keep your posture relaxed. Slowly rotate your upper body to one side, not forced, not fast, just smooth. Then come back to the center and rotate to the other side. Let your eyes follow the movement. Let your breathing stay calm. At first, you might feel tight, maybe even uneven on one side. That's normal. It means your body is waking up again. If full rotation feels difficult, keep it small. Even a slight turn done with control is enough to start. And here's what happens when this improves. Your posture starts correcting itself. Your back feels lighter. Even simple things like turning or reaching feel easier. But here's the real question. If your spine has been this restricted, what else has been silently affected? Let's move up and find out. Shoulder circles. Why do your shoulders feel tight even when you're not using them much? It doesn't make sense at first. But here's what's really happening. Your shoulders are meant to move freely in full circles. Not just up and down, not just forward, but all around. And when that full movement disappears, tension starts building without you noticing. Daily posture plays a big role here. Sitting, looking down, reaching forward. It slowly pulls your shoulders into a limited range. So even simple movements begin to feel restricted. Now here's the shift. Stand or sit tall. Let your arms relax by your sides. Slowly lift your shoulders up, then roll them back, then down and around. Make it a full circle. Go slow. Feel the movement, not just the motion. After a few circles, reverse the direction. If large circles feel uncomfortable, make them smaller. Keep control. Keep it smooth. You might notice one side feels tighter than the other. That's your body showing you where it needs attention. And when this starts improving, something interesting happens. Reaching feels easier. Lifting feels lighter. Even your posture begins to open up without forcing it. But here's something most people don't realize. You can have mobility, but still lack stability. And that's where the next move changes everything. Deep squat hold. Can you sit in a deep squat comfortably without your body fighting you? Or do your heels lift, your knees ache, and your back feels tight? That's not just tightness. That's your body losing a position it was built for. A deep squat is one of the most natural human positions. But over time, we stop using it. Chairs replace it. Movement gets limited. And slowly, your body forgets. Now here's where it changes. Stand with your feet about shoulder width apart. Turn your toes slightly out. Slowly lower your body down into a squat. Go as low as you comfortably can. Keep your chest lifted. Try to keep your heels on the ground. Once you're down, just hold. No rushing, no bouncing. If your heels lift, place something under them for support. If it feels too hard, hold on to something in front of you. Make it manageable, because this is not about forcing depth. It's about rebuilding control. You might feel your hips open, your ankles stretch, your legs start to work. That's exactly what we want. And here's what happens when this improves. Standing up feels easier. Your balance gets better. Your legs feel strong without extra strain. It's strength and mobility working together. But here's the part most people ignore. You can build all this and still feel unstable. Why? Because your foundation might still be weak. Let's go even lower and fix that next. Ankle rotations. What if your balance problems don't start in your legs, but down at your ankles? Most people never think about this. They focus on knees, they focus on hips, but the ankles quietly lose movement first. And when they do, everything above becomes unstable. Your steps feel uncertain. Your knees take more pressure. Even simple walking starts to feel off. Now here's where it shifts. Stand tall or sit down. Lift one foot slightly off the ground. Slowly rotate your ankle in a full circle. Not fast, not loose, controlled. Draw a smooth circle with your foot. Feel the joint moving in every direction. After a few rotations, switch direction. Then change sides. If standing feels difficult, do it seated. Keep it simple. Keep it clean. You might notice stiffness. Maybe one side feels weaker. That's your body telling you something has been ignored. And when this starts improving, your balance becomes more stable. Your steps feel more confident. Even standing still feels stronger. Small movement, big impact. But here's the real question. If fixing just a few simple movements can change this much, what happens when your whole body starts working together again? So now you felt it. Not heavy workouts, not endless reps, just simple movements. And your body already starts responding. But here's the question most people avoid. Which one exposed you the fastest? Was it your hips, your spine, your shoulders, your squat, or your ankles? That's not your weakness. That's your starting point. Focus there, and everything else begins to change. And here's something most people still don't realize. Even after fixing all this, there's one mistake that keeps bringing the pain back. Almost nobody sees it coming. If you want simple routines that actually build real strength without hurting your joints, subscribe now and share this with someone who feels stiff, tired, or weaker than they should. Now go try these movements again. This time, pay attention. Your body is trying to tell you something.